In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create shareable link in Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a link you can paste into an email, chat, or document so others can quickly view your file without you having to attach anything. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that you know whether you want people to only view the file, comment on it, or edit it. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser. You'll land on your drive home where all your files and folders are listed. Find the file you want to share. Click it once to select it. You should see it highlighted, confirming it's the active item. If you pick the wrong one, just click the correct file before moving on. With the file selected, open the Options menu by clicking the 3 vertical dots. This reveals a list of actions you can take on the file. Choose Share. If you also see a Share button in the toolbar, that goes to the same place. Either option opens a sharing window. In the sharing window, look for the section labeled General Access. This is where you control who can open your link. By default, most files are set to restricted, which means only people you specifically add can access the file. Click the word restricted to open the access menu. From the menu, switch it to anyone with the link. This change tells Drive to generate a link that works for anyone who has it, without you needing to add individual email addresses. Right next to that, you'll see a role selector. Choose the level of access you want to grant. Viewer is safest for most situations. Commenter allows feedback on supported file types, and editor gives full editing rights. Unless you explicitly want collaborators to make changes, keep it on viewer. Now click Copy Link. Drive will place the shareable link on your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need. If you're sharing with a large audience, it's a good idea to double check that the access shows anyone with the link and that the role is correct before moving on. When you're done, click Done to close the sharing window. Paste your link into an email, message, or document, and you're set. Keep in mind that some work or school accounts may have admin policies that limit sharing outside the organization. If someone reports they can't open the link, revisit General Access and confirm the setting and role. That's all it takes to create a reliable, shareable Google Drive link.